High Command is not giving any decision yet because he's not only MP but he is a working committee member also. So the party will take a decision.
Any discussion going on that issue?
No, no.
Any High Command did called Sudhakaran?
No discussion has done yet. Now we are just finding out in the CEC all the seats and the candidate selection is going on. The discussion will be taken by the High Command only and it will be coming soon.
Don't you agree the fact that he is a prominent figure in Kannur and if he is not contesting it will affect the election, affect Congress in this election?
He is very strong leader. He is our leader. He was earlier KPCC president also. That is why he has been elevated to in the working committee. He is a working committee responsible, strong leader of Kerala, not only Kannur. Why you people are taking only Kannur? He is an MP from Kannur, but he is a strong leader of Kerala. Definitely, he has given his mind. So party will definitely take a decision.
Do you think it's an irresponsible move to make a claim while the KPCC president is saying that there is no need for anyone coming forward with claiming any seat?
Anyone can claim any seat. Who can stop? That is not a point. The point is whether the MP will contest the election or not. That party has to take care. Party will take the decision.
He and his followers strongly decided that her expression, he could contest in Kannur.
If all the followers can say, look, there are Congress workers, all the followers can say about their leader, there is no harm in it, but party has to take a decision. That decision has not come yet.
Another point, here in Kasaragod DCC, there's two letters going addressing you. One claiming that this Doman Jose should not contest from Trikaripur constituency.
I have not got any
letters.
I have not got any letters yet. I am going to the meeting. Let me go to the meeting. If the letter comes, we will also take it for the next step in the screening committee.
But problems are arising in Congress based on that letter.
It's a big major issue.
No,
in this
I have not received any letter.
No letters, nothing at all.
No.
Both letters. You didn't receive both letters.
No, I didn't receive any letter.